Have you ever wondered what happens when the sun gets angry? Welcome to the fascinating world of solar flares, powerful bursts of radiation from the sun that can disrupt satellites, GPS signals, and even power grids on Earth. In this video, we're diving deep into what solar flares are, how they form, and why they matter more than you might think. What is a solar flare? A solar flare is a sudden, intense explosion on the sun's surface, releasing massive amounts of energy in the form of light, heat, and radiation. These flares are often associated with sunspots, darker, cooler areas on the sun where intense magnetic activity takes place. How do solar flares form? Solar flares occur when magnetic energy built up in the sun's atmosphere is suddenly released. This usually happens near active regions on the sun's surface where magnetic fields twist and tangle. When these magnetic field lines snap and realign, they release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. So, let's talk about the types of solar flares. Solar flares are classified by their intensity. We have X-class flares, which are the most intense and potentially Earth-threatening. Then, there are M-class flares, which are medium-sized and can cause radio blackouts. And lastly, we have C-class flares. These are smaller and usually have little noticeable impact on Earth. Now let's explore the impacts on Earth. While solar flares themselves don't physically hit Earth, the radiation they emit can affect us in several ways. First, they can disrupt communication. Radio signals, especially in aviation and maritime industries, can be blocked. Next, they can affect satellites. Increased radiation can interfere with satellite electronics and GPS systems. And finally, power grid issues. In extreme cases, solar storms caused by associated coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, can overload electrical systems. On a brighter note, solar flares and CMEs can also lead to spectacular auroras, the northern and southern lights, when charged particles interact with Earth's magnetic field. Are solar flares dangerous? Most solar flares pose little danger to humans on Earth, thanks to our planet's protective atmosphere and magnetic field. However, astronauts and high-altitude pilots may be at greater risk, and our tech infrastructure is increasingly vulnerable. Conclusion. Solar flares are a reminder of the sun's incredible power and the dynamic nature of our solar system. As our reliance on technology grows, understanding and forecasting these solar events becomes more important than ever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on space, science, and everything in between. And let us know in the comments, have you ever seen the Northern Lights?